Want to make money online? It's easier than you think. I'll show you how step by step. Let's get started.
If you're looking for a real way to start making money online using AI, not just watching videos, but actually getting paid, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how to start a simple AI side hustle that can begin to pay you daily. Not theory, not complicated systems, just something practical that you can start immediately. Now, before we get into it, understand this. Most people fail at making money online, not because it's hard, but because they overcomplicate everything. They try to learn too many things at once. They jump from one idea to another, and in the end, they don't take action on anything. So in this video, we're doing the opposite. We're keeping it simple. One model, one process, one goal. And that goal is to get you paid. Let's start from the beginning. A few months ago, I noticed something interesting. Small businesses were struggling online, not because they didn't want to grow, but because they didn't have time. They needed content. They needed videos. They needed someone to help them stay active online, but they didn't want to hire expensive agencies. And that's where the opportunity is. Because now, with AI tools, you can do the work of an entire team by yourself, faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. So here's the side hustle. You're going to offer simple content creation services to businesses using AI. That's it. Now let me break it down step by step so you can actually do this. Step 1. Pick a simple service. Don't try to do everything. Start with one. The easiest one is short-form content creation. This includes Instagram posts, captions, and short videos. Why this? Because every business needs it. Every single one. And most of them are not doing it well. Step 2. Use AI tools to create the content. Start with ChatGPT. Use it to generate captions, ideas, and scripts. Then move to Canva. Use it to design posts. Then use CapCut to create simple, short videos. And if you don't want to use your voice, use ElevenLabs to generate voiceovers. Now you have a full system. Content, design, video, all done using free tools. Step 3. Find clients. This is where most people hesitate, but it's actually simple. Go to Instagram. Search for small businesses in your area or any niche. Look for pages that are inactive or pages with low engagement. Those are your opportunities. Step 4. Reach out. Keep it simple. Don't write long messages. Don't try to sound perfect. Just be direct. Say something like, "Hi, I noticed your page, and I'd love to help you grow by creating engaging content for you." That's it. Some people will ignore you. Some will say no, but a few will respond. And that's all you need. Now, let's talk about money. In the beginning, don't focus on charging high prices. Focus on getting your first client. Offer a simple package. For example, 10 posts for $10 or $20. Yes, it's low, but you're not doing it for the money. You're doing it for proof. Once you deliver and they see results, you can increase your price. And here's where it gets interesting. Businesses don't just need content once. They need it every week, every month, which means you can turn this into recurring income. For example, if you charge $50 per month per client, and you have 5 clients, that's $250 per month. Increase it to 10 clients. That's $500 per month. And it keeps growing. Now imagine doing this consistently for a few months. You can easily build a steady income stream. And the best part? You're using AI to do most of the work, which means you save time, and you can handle more clients. Now let's take it a step further. Once you understand the process, you can scale. You can outsource the work. You can hire someone to help you, or you can use even more AI tools to automate parts of the process. At that point, you're not just doing a side hustle anymore. You're building a business, but it all starts with that first step, taking action. Now let me give you a reality check. This is not magic. You will get ignored. You will get rejected. You might feel like giving up. But that's part of the process. Every successful person you see online went through the same thing. The difference is, they didn't stop. They kept going, they improved, and they eventually succeeded. So if you take anything from this video, let it be this. Start simple, take action, stay consistent, and don't overthink it. Because the opportunity is right in front of you. AI has made things easier than ever before. But tools alone won't change your life. Action will. So start today. Send your first message. Create your first content. Get your first client. And build from there. And if you want more simple and practical ways to make money with AI, make sure you subscribe. Because on this channel, we focus on real strategies that actually work.